This marketing technique is so powerful that the biggest companies, such as Apple, use it against you. So let's break this down. Have you noticed that movie theaters always offer 3 different sizes of popcorn? The objective behind this is to make you spend as much money as possible. Let's imagine that the movie theater offers 2 sizes of popcorn, a small one for $2 and a large one for $6. You ask yourself, am I hungry enough to get the large one, or is there enough popcorn in the small one? In any case, you will opt for the small size. But now imagine that the movie theater offers 3 sizes of popcorn, small for $3, medium for $5, and large for $6. This time, you will directly choose the largest one, thinking it's a great deal because there's only one difference between the large and the medium. This is called the Decoy Effect, and in reality, the medium is just a decoy. Now, how does Apple apply this? Look at the iPhone 14, which goes for $799, 14 Pro for $999, and 14 Pro Max for $1,099, just like the popcorn. We share the world's greatest marketing strategies every day, so follow to not miss the next one.